If you want to learn how to use Framer CMS, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of creating a new CMS page in Framer, adding sample content, and then finding where everything lives inside your project so you can start editing confidently. This is a great beginner-friendly guide if you're building a blog, portfolio, case study section, or any dynamic content in Framer. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Framer project. Once your project is loaded, look over to the left side where your pages are listed. This is where Framer keeps your site structure organized, and this is also where your CMS page will appear once you create it. To begin, click the plus icon next to Pages. This opens the option to add a new page to your project. From there, choose New CMS Page. Framer will now create a CMS-powered page for you, which is exactly what you need if you want dynamic content that can be managed more easily than a regular static page. After selecting New CMS Page, Framer may ask you to add sample content. Go ahead and click Add Sample. This is helpful because it gives you a working example to see how the CMS is structured. It's a great way to understand how Framer handles items, collections, and page data without having to build everything from scratch. Once the sample has been added, you can go back to your project. Now look again at the Pages panel on the left side. You should be able to see the CMS page listed there under Pages. This confirms that the CMS page has been created successfully. If you want to manage it more closely, you can expand the page. When you do that, you'll see more options connected to the CMS setup. Next to the page, click the three dot icon. This menu gives you access to additional actions for that CMS page. From the drop-down menu, click Edit CMS. This is the main place where you can edit and manage your CMS content in Framer. Here, you can update items, change content, and organize your data so your page displays the right information on your site. If you're building content like blog posts or project entries, this is where that content will be controlled. The important thing to remember is that Framer CMS is designed to help you keep content structured and easy to update. Instead of manually editing every page one by one, you can work from the CMS and let Framer handle the dynamic display. That makes it much easier to scale your website as your content grows. So to quickly recap the process, open your Framer project, click the plus icon next to Pages, create a new CMS page, add sample content, return to the project, find the CMS page under Pages on the left, expand it, click the three-dot menu, and choose Edit CMS to start managing it. That's the basic workflow for getting started with Framer CMS. If this video helped you understand how to use Framer CMS, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me know you want more step-by-step Framer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.